All right, welcome. So I've been getting this question a lot about, Henry, what do I need to do if I miss the 5 days challenge, if I miss any of the day, right? If you miss any of the day, this is what you need to do right now. Now, let me go through it. Let me show you what to do. The first thing you need to do is to send us a message, right? Send us a message that you've missed it so that we can be able to send you the link of the Zoom call that was done that particular. That's the first thing you need to do. Now, second thing that you need to do is that you can have access to all the Zoom recordings in our group, right? It's a dedicated group for you where you can be able to interact and ask questions and go through the course. If you have anything that you're missing, that you want to know about, you have any questions, that we can be able to answer you in that particular group. So you can go every day, check in the group. You will be able to see everything that you need so that you can implement all that is being taught in the 5 days challenge. Another question is, for those that are trying, like some people are asking, how do I review? How do I go back and study? And this is my advice. After the class, always make sure you show up during the Zoom sessions. When you show up live, you are able to actually have spontaneous questions and you can ask them at that point. And the kind of understanding you get when you show up live is different when you are just watching a recorded video of the same live section. So I would advise you show up live, then go back and review what is being taught live, because there will be things that you will miss, right? So you go back and watch them again. When you are able to do that, you will notice that you are able to implement better and you can ask better questions so that I can guide you all through the sessions, right? So that I can guide you on what to do, how to put the landing pages, what kind of landing page to create, and how to do containing your own specific business that you are into. And that is how you will review what is being taught in the live sessions of the challenge. Now, another thing that I put in place for you guys is the discussion group, right? You have the discussion group on Facebook. You also have discussion group on the WhatsApp platform, so where you can get to actually ask questions. Now, this class, the challenges does not involve you asking questions after the challenge is over, but occasionally as long as the group is open, it simply means that you can continue to ask questions around what you've been taught and even things outside of what you've been taught. So feel free. We are all here to learn, and we want to create a community of business owners and entrepreneurs that are ready to scale their business. So no issues at all. Ask your questions, always interact on the group so that you can catch up and grow your business. So the final thing here, whenever you are stuck, whenever you have issues, whenever you are not able to follow up with what we are teaching on the platform, please seek for help. Ask questions. There are several admins and there are other students that are doing well, probably in your niche, right? Ask questions so that you can get help. This year, everyone needs to grow their business and you need to scale your business. See you in the Zoom call, see you in the group, wherever you're watching this video, see you next. And I will also have resources for you guys on the YouTube channel. The link will be sent to you to have access to the YouTube channel where you can get a lot of videos that can help you integrate what you've been taught throughout the challenges. Now, see you, go and grow your business.